as you can tell, is autumn again, which means new iPhone season. Hi guys, this is not just Nicoletta, and guess what we're doing today? Today we are, well, from the name of the title, we are unboxing the iPhone 12 white 256 gigabytes. First of all, before I unbox my phone, I want to say that this is like my first new iPhone, because the previous ones I would just bought them used or refurbished, and I don't promote buying new phones every year. It's not eco-friendly, and the best way to take care of the environment is to actually not buy a new iPhone. So do you see the whole box?
I don't have your face.
Yeah, it's okay, it's just whoa, this slips so easily. Guys, let's look for the new iPhone. Oh my god. That's the first time when I have the whole screen iPhone, so that's a big day for me. Oh my god. Oh. I cannot.
One eternity later.
Wow, oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, this feels so good in the hand. Okay, first of all, we're looking what we have in the box. So, the USB-C to Lightning cable. Yeah, right? Then we have designed by Apple in California. We have the SIM unlocker thing. We have the instructions. Yeah, a lot of instructions. Where is the Apple sticker? What? Oh! There is only one Apple sticker, guys. Only one Apple sticker. What the hell? So now, oh my god, look. Do you see it? Oh, basically you also have the instructions here. You see? You also have the instructions the lightning port, the volume, the silent mode, and closing the phones. So now we're stripping it down. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Can I open it? Oh, come. Can I open it? It's alive, guys! My baby is alive! I like this phone so much. Jesus Christ. And it's so light compared to my 8 Plus. Jesus, that phone is Now we're gonna show how it's setting up, but also I'm gonna show you guys some camera samples, videos, comparing it to my 8 Plus. Oh, I love this phone already. Do you know how well how good it feels in there? Yeah, I just set up manually. Continue. Oh, you can see it takes a while until it's set up. The iPhone is setting up. So yeah, that on privacy, Face ID. Oh, the Touch ID era is over for me. Yeah. How to set up Face ID? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. It's so annoying, this follow the arrow thing. Now the iPhone is almost set up. So let's see. Here, swipe up. Woo! This is my new iPhone 12 white 256 gigabytes. Later, guys, I'm gonna compare the quality of the camera with my old iPhone. The video with the selfie camera from my 8 Plus. I can actually tell that the 12 has a way better selfie camera than the 8 Plus. I'm just making it, The selfie camera has 12 megapixel camera. It's very obvious, the colors in the 12 are more juicy, and the video is just more sharp than in the 8 Plus. I'm also testing the microphone, and you can see it's a very beautiful day in Netherlands, which is, not very usual. Wow, like the details, and you can tell also the camera is not as close up as on the 8 Plus. In this part, we're gonna do the camera comparison between iPhone 12 and iPhone 8 Plus, which is like a 3-year-old iPhone.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend, gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. I'm in an Uber to your place again. Had a couple fucks but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting.
As you can tell, it's autumn.
Uh-huh. There is autumn again. Or how is it?
There's a guy in the background.